first BMW M5 F90 that has been tuned. Oh, got my heated steering wheel on. So they have wrapped it matte black. Get your van checked out, buddy. What's up everyone? Welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we've got the first BMW M5 F90 that has been tuned on our channel. And well, to be honest, we've been looking forward to this for a while because we know that the M5 F90 as standard already delivers some incredible numbers on dynos all around the world. We've seen power figures ranging from like 620 up to 650 horsepower stock. So we know that, you know, there's a lot of potential still in this engine. And it's so simple to tune this car to, well, ridiculous values. This car just has an ECU tune and it delivers 780 horsepower and 830 newton meters of torque. So that is pretty impressive. We are at Elmerhaus Automobieltechnik near Bremen in Germany, and they have tuned this car. They are currently developing this exact car, so the ECU tune has been done. But they are also working on some catless downpipes for this car and a full custom exhaust system with valves. And if they have done that, this car should do over 800, close to 900 horsepower. So we'll definitely be back to drive it then. And they also are going to work on a kit with bigger turbos that should bring it closer to 1000 horsepower. Which, you know, we will be back for again. Because why not? It's freaking awesome. So what else have they done? Well, as you can see right here, this car used to be black. So they have wrapped it matte black. They also wrapped these silver parts of the wheels. So it's black and sort of a dark gray, which I really like. There's carbon ceramic brakes, and unfortunately it has some Michelin Pilot Alpine winter tires with a VMAX of, where is it? 104V, so that's 240 kilometers an hour. That's a shame because it is a really quick car. And well, we can't really put it to the test properly today. So there is the 4.4 liter V8 bi-turbo with beautiful M-Power carbon fiber engine cover. Yeah, as I said, it's just a remap. 780 horsepower. Pretty insane if you ask me. On the inside we've got this really light gray, which I actually really like, with dark gray stitching, and it has this dark gray or black stripe down the middle in the rear as well, and it has carbon fiber inlay on the dash, center console. So yeah, I think this is a nice spec. I really like this light gray leather. Something different, something you don't see every day. All right, so we are going to take it for a drive on the Autobahn because that's the only place where you can really test it. This car also has the M Sport exhaust, so that means that we get a little bit more sound and some bangs and crackles on the overrun and on the downshifts. We have configured M2 for this purpose, so that means we've got DSC off entirely, four-wheel drive, the engine or powertrain in Sport Plus, damping in Sport, and the steering in Sport as well. And well, we're going to do a launch and see how crazy this car is. Alright, so foot on the brake, full throttle. Whoa! Whoa! There went the back up. I have to shift myself. That was not launch control apparently, but it was very fast. winter tires, they do struggle to put the power down. So we did a 3.16 0 to 100 kilometers an hour run earlier. 3.16 seconds, that's really fast. And even more impressive, a 100 to 200 run of 6.6 seconds, which is incredibly fast. To put that into perspective, a Lamborghini Urus with 650 horsepower does 8.6, so that's 2 seconds slower than this car, which gives you an idea of how quick this car really is. Just a shame of those winter tires though, because it will do, I don't know, somewhere along the lines of 330 kilometers an hour. Oh, and these winter tires are actually all over the place. So yeah, that's it. 268. I'm not going any faster than that. Not going to beat up these winter tires any more than that. But it is very, very fast. And well, all it really does is make me even more curious about the next level that Elmerhaus is going to do with those downpipes, exhaust, and after that even the turbos. I mean, this is going to be one crazy car. Oh, got my heated steering wheel on. Very nice. Oh, it's just so easy, effortless. It is such a versatile car, this BMW M5 F90. It is one of the most versatile cars around in the performance car segment. Oh man, I'm really sad that it has winter tires. It would have been so much fun on, you know, the Autobahn. But I have to say that driving the F90 again, you sort of need some time to be able to appreciate it. You have to drive it a couple of times. I mean, sure, if you buy one, you're going to drive it a lot, so you'll appreciate it a lot quicker. But I feel that I'm starting to appreciate this car more and more every time I drive it. Of course, when you get in for the first time, well, you think it's not that much different than before. It just has four-wheel drive and a new outer shell, but the drivetrain is not that much different, but it is. It does feel a lot different, and especially if you want to unleash the potential of this car, that MX drive system is, oh, it is so good. We also drove an F10 BMW M5 with 800 horsepower with rear-wheel drive, and 800 horsepower is just too much for that car. It can't handle it. You're just eating up the tires at a very alarming rate, and this one doesn't have any problems with 780 horsepower. So this definitely is a better base to do, you know, crazy stuff like this. Even the gearbox, this is the ZF 8-speed. The previous M5 had the MDCT double clutch gearbox, and it would just eat up the clutch as well with 800 horsepower because it can't handle that much, and this can. Oh man, this is quick. I'm really looking forward to driving this car when it has close to 1000 horsepower. I think it's going to be absolutely mental. And even in four-wheel drive mode, I mean, you can still slide this car around, especially when you're on winter tires, but it will do four-wheel drifts with this amount of power, which is awesome. Ugh. Get your van checked out, buddy. that's going to give up very soon. Oh man. It's so easy. Anyone can do this. Which, you know, I can't say for that 800 horsepower F10 M5. I mean, you need some big balls and a lot of tires to drive that car. So that's definitely progress, if you ask me. And again, you know, when the guys at Elmerhaus finish developing their packages for this car with catless downpipe, with valve controlled exhaust, it's going to be epic. It's going to be super loud. It's going to have like close to 900 or 1000 horsepower. It's going to be crazy. So don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for all the crazy cars we drive. If you want to see what a crazy tuned M4 looks like with 620 horsepower by Musselman, check out this video, or you can check out this playlist of POV reviews. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you at the next one. Bye.